Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to recover Instagram account. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to unminute. To recover your Instagram account, you must need your phone number or your Instagram username or your Instagram email address. Without any of them, you can't recover your Instagram account. In my case, I can remember my Instagram email address, but I can't remember the phone number or the username of my Instagram account, and I forget my password. So here's in my case, I just give here my email address, and without email address I can't give here anything else. So now let's see how to recover Instagram account using only email address. So click on this forgot password option, and here you have to put your Instagram email or phone number or username. So in my case, I can remember my email address, so I'm pasting my email address here. Then click on send login link. And now click on I'm not a robot. Next. And here we can see we sent an email to the desired email address with a link to get back into your account. And here we can see I got a mail from Instagram. So after that, here we can see my Instagram username. We can directly reset our Instagram password from here. Also we can log in as the profile, so I'm clicking on login as. And after that, here you have to put your new password for your Instagram account. So I'm creating a new password here, and repeat your new password here. After that, click on change password, and boom, here we can see my account is recovered now. This is how we can recover our Instagram account easily. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unminute. Thanks for watching this video.